Platforms are up, rebars in. Got my first wall built. Working in the rain.
One.
Had to take a
two,
break, do a couple push-ups.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Good job, buddy.
My boys are learning how to measure. Got the roof started. What do you think of the black tin? What kind of stain do you think that is? Cost about the same as 2 gallons of diesel. Got a couple of deer that come back every day to visit me.
I don't have any food. Ooh.
All finished. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Have a great day.